as you can see. And also the final part of that is that we have access to the different plates that you can start with to get to test. They are quite beautiful. I find useful purposes for them. Yeah, so that's the Laser Tree laser module. So further we'll go into the laser module connection description. So as you can see here, we have a pin definition through the external driver using PWM, ground, and also power for that. So what you can do, as you can see, you'll come and look at it. They're almost similar as what we have. So this one over here is supposed to go over here. Yeah, as you can see, connected quite well. So this is an 80 centimeter cable that we are using for that purpose. So you know, the yellow one is for PWM. This one is the one that we'll use with our Arduino and our CNC shield together with GRBL to be able to do laser cutting and engraving. So the yellow one is the PWM, the black is for the ground, and the red is for the power, which requires 12 volts for that. The next thing that we have over here, we also have a driver adapter, which is optional, that you can use.